Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday held meetings with groups of National Democratic Alliance or the NDA MPs from Bihar, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Chandigarh, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir to strategize for the 2024 Lok Sabha election. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a telephonic conversation with South African President Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa yesterday, that is August 3rd. Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya M. Scindia has unveiled the new logo of the National Mineral Development Corporation in New Delhi today. A brokerage firm, Morgan Stanley, has upgraded its view on India's markets to overweight from equal weight, predicting a long wave boom ahead. In the 7th Men's Hockey Asian Champions Trophy, India defeated China 7-2 in their opening match at the Meyer Radhakrishnan Stadium in Chennai yesterday.